Hello friends, welcome to Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी. This is Sunita with you. Today we have come up with information about the Karunya Institute of Technology and Science located in Coimbatore. ये एक प्राइवेट डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी है. ये UGC and AICTE approved है. It has NAC A++ accreditation with a score of 3.53 CGPA. It has also been conferred with NBA and ACCA accreditation. The Atal ranking of institution on innovation achievement has ranked this university among the top 26 to 50 institutions in India. QS Star Rating has rated it as a 3-star institution. QS E-Lead has certified it for exemplary performance in online teaching learning. History. Karunya Institute of Technology and Science was established in 1986 as an engineering college and thereafter in 1999. It was granted the status of autonomous institution by UGC and MHRD. The university functions with a vision to raise leaders and professionals of high academic caliber and untarnished character nurtured with a commitment to serve the nation. Academics की बात करें तो Karunya Institute of Technology and Science covers the spectrum of online courses such as MBA, MSc in Mathematics, BBA, MA in English and BCom. The paramount goal of the university is to impart the highest degree of practical and theoretical knowledge, encoded with a discipline, strength of mind to fully comprehend the pivotal sophistication of cutting-edge technologies. Karunya Institute of Technology and Science provide 100% placement assistance to its students to get placed with world-class companies. Interviews, mock tests, discussion forums and recorded lectures are offered to prepare them to face the hassles of interviews and confidence and eloquence. Top recruiters. Karunya Institute Technology and Science recruiters की huge list रखता है. The list of top recruiters includes Accenture, Deloitte, Infosys, Wipro, Byju's, Colgate, TCS, Amazon, Robert Bosch, Tata Elxsi, CTS, Grant Thornton, Jaro and many more. So get set go with the prestigious Karunya Institute of Technology and Science and make your way to accomplish your career dreams. I hope this information helps you a lot and if not, don't worry, आप comment section में अपनी queries and requests लिख सकते हैं and we will definitely go through it and solve that. Me Sunita signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the notification. For more such informative videos, keep watching Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी.